Next, let me open our giant egg. We got another Num Noms. Got a My Little Pony blind bag. First, let's open the My Little Pony blind bag. It's not Lula's Pet Shop blind bag. Okay, we got two. Actually, we got one, so here's what it looks like. It's a panda. So here's its accessories. So let's put it on. And here what she looks like all together. Next, let's open our Num Noms. But first, before we do that, let's go see what her name is. So her name, it doesn't show the name, but here's all of you can collect. So next, let's open this Num Noms. These ones. Okay. Wow, this one is cute. Here's what she looks like. She's so adorable and cute. So let's open her up. Here's what our cute little Num looks like. So, let's open. We have another special edition. I guess this one is Pina Gloss Up and this one is Nana Gloss Up. That's what they look like. So let's go see what their name is. Her name is, first, let's smell it. Ooh, I know what her name is. Her name is, Bestie Bubblegum. Bestie Bubblegum. Bestie Bubblegum. And this one is Pina Gloss Up. So, next, you open yours. I am going to open this one next. Let's open it. I got some more stickers. Okay. It's my turn. Next, let's open this light blue egg. We got a panda ring. She can light up by pushing this button, and she glows. So pretty. So let's put it right here. Okay. Next, let's open this light green egg. We got a duck. A duck ring, and it can light up too. This is what it looks like when it lights up. So squishy. They're so squishy. Yeah. So next, let's open this one. It's so rainbowy with the dark blue. We have Squishy Pops. Let's open the Squishy Pops. Let's see what we got. I think we got a pony. Let's go see. Let's see what we got. We got Rarity. So she's so squishy. Let's see if she can stick. She doesn't stick that much, but she's so cute. First, let's take off this. She doesn't pop. Maybe soon she will pop. Maybe she doesn't want to pop right now. But that's what she looks like. Okay, your turn. I am gonna open this purple egg. We got another squishy pop. Let's open it. We got Rarity's little sister. So next, let me open this egg. We got ice cream in a bowl. It's a racer. And we got ice cream on a stick. And it's another racer. So, your turn, Caitlin. I'm going to open this egg. We got candy. We got Twix and Starburst. Yeah. Okay, next let's open this frozen Easter egg. Ow. We got more frozen stickers. I'm gonna open this purple egg. A soda racer. And here is a burger. Good with soda. So next, it's my turn. We got more candy. Another Starburst, and this time we got pink Snickers. Okay, next I'm gonna open this orange egg. Oh, I don't know what this is. We have crepes with the whipped cream, bananas, a slice of banana, and a strawberry. And vanilla ice cream. It's ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. Okay, next I'm gonna open this yellow egg. A bunch of eggs. Okay. So there's chocolate eggs. How cool is that? So yummy. Okay. I'm gonna open this frozen egg. I'm just gonna open it. We got more frozen stickers. Let's put them right here. Okay. Let's open this frozen egg. More frozen stickers. So let's open our Easter bunnies. Yeah, you can see the little feet and a pink M. So you have to twist it, and let's see what we have inside. So we got M&Ms. We got a bunch of M&Ms. So let's open one of them. So you pour M&Ms in here. So you pour M&Ms in, and then you close it up again, and then you twist it, and then you shake it a little bit, and there, M&Ms come out. Good. And when you're all done, then close them. M&M Easter bunnies. So that's it for our video. Subscribe for more Sweet Joys videos. Bye. Bye.